Hello, this is Kathy Lee, Crafting with Kathy Lee. Thank you for stopping by my channel. I am here to share another um, design team project for the Silver and Sparkles design team. And this is part of the hashtag Gratitude 2025 challenge. And this one today is for the theme Make Today Great. And this is week 4. And you can look back in my channel and you will see the other videos. I did a video for week 1, week 2, week 3, and this is week 4, and 2 of those weeks were combined. This was a challenge put on by Pam at Silver and Sparkles and Amy, and this is going to be the last project for this challenge, and it's also my last project using the Sweet Sparkles collection. And this one, I kind of used up the extra stuff I had from other projects. So without further ado, let's take a look. I took, like I said, I'm taking a lot of scraps and stuff. So these were leftover fussy cuts. This was another tag, or I don't know, it was like a long, maybe a title. And today's theme is, or this week's theme is Make Today Great. This is one of the images with it. I added a little ribbon. I added a doily that I had die cut out a long time ago, and I just pulled it out and did some distressing on it. This is a little card folio kind of thing. I don't even know what to call it. Okay, so here we go. And it's with some sheet music I had from a long time ago. I don't even remember what, it was just in my sheet music thing. So I added some of the gems I had on another project. Flip it open, and on this page we have a little slide-in pocket with one of the big sunflowers. In here I just put one of the extra titles and the created with a purpose, and on that I just drew some lines using one of my Tula 12 stencils. So those just tuck in here, and again I'm just kind of tucking in extra bits and bobs and pieces I had. So on this side, I have a little flap tuck and a sticker. And in there, I put Tomorrow Needs You. And Tomorrow Needs You on the back in case you didn't get it the first time. Flip it over, it's going to tell you again. Okay, and Gorgeous Mess, that is definitely, well, I got the mess part down. I don't know about the gorgeous. Okay, and then let's see, this one flipped this way. I kind of forgot what I did here. Did one of the little stickers I cut out before. Made a little flap to hold this. This one is Be Original. You know, I keep telling people, if you watch so many videos like I have for years, there might be ideas that I have gleaned from other people. Unfortunately, I can't always remember where I got them because some of them were a long time ago. I do try to do my own thing, but occasionally, maybe I watched one of your videos and maybe you say, hey, that was my idea. I'm sorry if it was. I'm sorry I didn't credit you. But when I watch a video, I don't necessarily always know 3-4 years later it's going to come back to me and I'm going to use the thing and I have no clue where it came from. So here's another flap. Little pocket here. The Remember You is just one of the title cards or journaling cards. No, one of the, I can't even say it. I lost it. One of the little sayings, one of the little title things. And then here I put Make Today Great. That is today's theme. And this one flips up like that. And then Know Your Worth is there. On the back of Know Your Worth, remember your why. And some of the stickers. I guess you could put photos here if you have room for photos. If there's someplace you want to tack, you can write your own little special notes. Here's another flip. Here I use this Remember Your Why for a pocket. I think I did that earlier on another project. I did it again. Be Original. It's a little turtle one. I love that little turtle. I love all these sweet little images. Tomorrow Needs You. Again, that's a reminder. And then this one I really liked. I took a piece of ribbon that was left that I cut too short for another project. I slapped that limited edition label over it and put that cute little raccoon. How sweet is he? So there's that, and then the back just says You Are Enough with a couple more little fussy cuts. So there you have it, my little folio for the hashtag gratitude 2025 challenge by Silver and Sparkles. And take a look, put that hashtag gratitude 2025 in your search bar on YouTube, and it'll take you to some of the other videos. This is my last project for the Sweet Affirmations. Wow, my label I used was Sweet Sparkles. Sorry about that. Maybe I didn't. Maybe I did Sweet Affirmation. If my label at the front or at the beginning was wrong, I apologize. This was the Sweet Affirmations Kit. I may have had this one up. I don't know. I'm not going to redo the video because I'm a hot mess. Not a gorgeous mess. I'm a hot mess tonight. So, there you have it. My quick little folio. I just used 2 pieces of probably 9 by 12 sheet paper. And I seamed them together somewhere on here. I used a piece of 9 by 12, 2 pieces of 9 by 12, and I seamed them together to make a big wide, like 12-inch, 14-inch piece. And then I started doing my flips and my folds. Oh, I could have done that too. Maybe I like that way. I wonder if it'll fit. Will it close? Oh, I think I like that fold better. Maybe that's what I meant to do. Yeah, I think I like that better. Flip that, flip that, flip that. Yes, I do like that better. Okay, so change up what I did. I moved it around. There we go. Hope you like it. Thanks again, Pam, for having me on your design team. It's been a blast. I hope to continue with it. I have a couple other kits printed out, and I will do some walkthrough of the kits tomorrow or Monday. Have a great night. Thank you for visiting Crafting with Kathy Lee. I am Kathy Lee, and see you next time.